So 11 years that mark an era of resolve and of development as far as the Prime Minister's leadership for 11 years as he has completed successfully in his office, the first year of his third consecutive term and 11 years in public office today. Several events that have now been lined up to commemorate this significant milestone. As Prime Minister Modi has also shared that message on his social media platform, he says, and I quote, "A clear focus on good governance and transformation powered by the blessings and collective participation of 140 crore Indians, India has now witnessed rapid transformations across diverse sectors. Guided by the principle of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, this is where the Prime Minister says that self-reliance has now become the hallmark of Modi 3.0. A clear focus which is on good governance and on transformation and powered by the blessings and collective participation of all Indian citizens, the country which has witnessed rapid transformation across all diverse sectors as well. And this is nothing but the prayas, the principle of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Vikas and Sabka Prayas that the NDA government has delivered these path-breaking changes with speed, with scale and with sensitivity. Right from economic growth to social upliftment, the focus has been on people-centric and inclusive all-round progress. India today is not just the fastest growing major economy, but also a key global voice on pressing issues like climate action, on digital innovation. And the Prime Minister says that we are proud of our collective success, but at the same time, we look ahead with hope, with confidence and renewed resolve to build a Viksit Bharat. 11 years of Seva is the hashtag that has now been used. And similarly, the opinion that has also been voiced by the Union Home Minister Amit Shah as well, where today, as far as the Prime Minister and his top leaders are highlighting the work that has been done by the NDA government, the focus on women-led development over the past 11 years, citing advancements in various sectors and success of welfare schemes and programs as well. मोहित हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, अमित भी हमारे साथ लाइव जुड़ रहे हैं। अमित, सबसे पहले अगर 11 साल सेवा में जिस तरह से प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी अपने पोस्ट में कहते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं, बताया जा रहा है कि कई कार्यक्रम भी अब लाइंड अप है ये मार्क करने के लिए कि 11 इयर्स 11 साल और कंसेक्यूटिव थर्ड टर्म का जो पहला साल है उसी की भी पूर्ति होते हुए यहां पर प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी देश के नाम क्या संदेश देते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं?